Founded in 2003, STONKAM CO Limited is a professional high-tech enterprise with core competency in researching and developing vehicle vision products and advanced driving assistance products. So far, with the most advanced production technology, STONKAM CO Limited has supplied high-quality HD cameras and monitors, 1080p MDVR, 360-degree bird's-eye view system, microwave radar system, advanced driving assistance system, HD rear view system, and wireless transmission system. We always value customer first and every time try best to provide excellent products. In 2010, we were certified with the International Recognized Quality Management System IATF 16949-2016 and ISO 9001-2015. Our manufacturing strictly accords with the RODS rules of EU. Our products also have been certificated with the highest ingress protection rating IP69K and with export product certification, including CE, FCC, E-Mark, CTIC, MIC, SAE, and RED. Besides, we conduct a series of rigid tests such as aging test, vibration test, salt spray test, ESD test, to ensure the reliability of products. During 16 years, we have established trade relations with customers from more than 150 countries, and the export rate has exceeded 98%. In addition, currently we have around 393 employees, including an R&D team of more than 70 senior engineers to offer the professional service. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders and sincerely wish to cooperate with you.